Hello, hi. Many of us are having confusion and filing Form 120, that is for tax exemption certificate. So, how do we proceed? I'm trying to make a short video for giving a tutorial on how to file Form 120, it is for tax exemption certificate. So, for that, what all we need to do is we have to and ST certificate. Number one. Number two is your PAN. Number three is your provisional income certificate from your employer or DDO, which means the income that you are going to earn in this financial year 26-27 for this year, for example. So you have to get it from your DDO, which is basically 12 times of your monthly salary. Okay, and that should mention your office address, residential address, and your category, that is your ST or SC. Okay, so for that, let's go to traces.tdscpc.gov.in for filing of your form 128. So let me log in here. So type your PAN number. This is just a dummy ID. So, and your password. And then log in. Then OTP will be sent to your mobile number. Type the OTP here. Submit. For tax exemption certificate, you have to file Form 128. This is file, and then you fill up your details here for the tax year 26-27. So this is part A. Fill up your details here. Your email ID, your mobile number, and proceed. You select this one if you are a salaried person or a business person. Okay, and go for Annexure 1. Okay, and if you have like TCS or tax collected at source, you can select this also. Many foreign travelers can select this. So for example, I'm not a foreign traveler, I have not traveled in any foreign country, so I don't have any TCS paid. So I'll be selecting only for Annexure 1. So you have to select this and add update existing tax liabilities. So select here for the current last financial year, and so I have not paid any tax or advance tax, so I'm placing here 0, 0, 0, and my liability is also 0. So I'll just click save here. So, and for this financial year, it is 26-27, let's say my estimated income is 10 lakhs rupees. So I'll write 10 lakhs here, and tax liability is 0, and income for which I am claiming the exemption, so that is the similar 10 lakhs rupees only. So advance tax I have paid 0, and my tax deducted source is 0, tax collected at source is also 0. So if you have not filed ITR, you just place an A here. If you have filed ITR, go to the income tax site, income tax portal, income tax filing portal, and get the acknowledgement number and the filing date, and place all these things here. Since I have not filed income tax, I'll just write an A. Okay, and proceed. So here I have to fill up the details. Just click provide details here and add details. So if you're a salaried person, just select 392 and salary will appear here. Now you'll have to write the PAN number or TAN number of the payer, that is your employer. So you get your form 16. In your form 16, you'll find your employer's PAN number or TAN number. So I am writing my employer's TAN number here. Okay, so my estimated total income was 10 lakhs. So and my rate of deduction is 0, that is my rate of income tax is 0. So I'll click on save and save and proceed. Now there is a template here for the computation of estimated income for the relevant year for which the certificate is sought. So just click on the template. See here, one thing to notice, your gross income should be, gross receipt or turnover should be more than your income or salary. So I have written 10 lakhs in my salary, so I'll be writing 10 lakh 1 rupee here, just 1 rupee higher than my salary. So let me write 10 lakhs here. Okay, so if you have any income from your house property, you can write here. Income from your business, you can write it here. Okay, if you have any capital gains, you can type it here. All right, so the gross total income is 10 lakhs 1. Okay, and my taxable income is 0, at normal rates is 0, at special rates I'll type all my income here, 10 lakhs. Okay, and then click submit. Okay, now if you are a scheduled tribe of northeast region or notified areas, then we can write a note here, exemption under 10/26 exemption for scheduled tribes of northeast region under 10/26 of IT Act. So just to give the clarity to the assessing officer, I am writing this note. So click on submit here. So for last 4 years you need to write here. Let's say last year my income was 9 lakhs. All the details I'm filling is just dummy details. Okay, so there also my income was taxable income was 0, normal income, tax rate was 0, and my special rate income was 9 lakhs. Okay, total tax on income should be less than the, so I just need to add 1 rupee here, so that should be fine. Anything is left. Okay, my gross income is also 9 lakhs. So okay, in my previous year, let's say 8 lakhs, 1, 8 lakhs, 0, which is 0, in special rate 8 lakhs. Okay, so I have to write 8 lakhs, 1. Okay, total tax on income should be less than the gross. Total tax on income should be less. Okay, I think, yeah, it's fine. So 7 lakhs, 1. If you have your data, you have to enter the exact data here from your last previous year's income or like that. If you have 0 income, you can type 0. Okay, 0. So let's say I was not working in the year 2023. So let me type it as 0 here. Or let's say 25 rupees only. So 0, 0, 25. Okay. 26. Okay, now submit and proceed. Okay, so now what you need to do is details of the income claim to be exempt and not included in the total income. You just browse, save the file that you have scanned, and let's say yeah, just upload it here. Your provisional income. It should be in PDF. Okay, and your upload any document like this PAN and ST certificate, you can upload here. Upload your PAN and ST certificate here. So this is my ST certificate. Okay, now 7 proceed. Now you just select this thing, enter place and 7 proceed. Okay, so all the details will be shown here. You can download this also. Okay, and then submit. Once you submit, you'll get the they'll ask you for some verification, like then you're all done. So this is all. Thank you. I think this video will help you all to file form 128 and get the exemption certificate. Once you submit this, you go to here. This will be appearing in your dashboard. Here it will be appearing. So within 30 days